Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a AFK channel on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Discord application, and first of all, I'm going to go to my server and I'm going to create a AFK channel on the server. We can go to the voice channel and click on this plus icon to create new channel, and then here you can select voice and name your channel. I'm just going to name it AFK and then click on create channel. Okay, and now the AFK channel has been created, and I'm going to click on my server's name, and then we can go to the server settings. Okay, and here we can select the AFK channel that we have just made. Okay, then we can choose the amount of time that it takes for someone to be moved into that channel. And for instance, I'm just going to select 1 minute, and we can click on save changes. Okay, now it's done. And you can click on this X button. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a AFK channel on Discord. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.